Let's talk about my top 5 favorite reasons why you should be using Davinci Resolve in 2024. Keep in mind that these are my favorites and it's definitely not the ultimate features of Davinci, but they are some of the things that I love since it saves me tons of time with how simple but powerful they are. For number one, while DaVinci Resolve crashes way less than Adobe Premiere, it will still crash once in a while. However, DaVinci has an autosave feature that works flawlessly. Just a day before making this video, I had a crash and I was instantly back where I left off without losing a beat. With Premiere, I sometimes would lose a good 15 to 20 minutes of work because it just wouldn't autosave. When we are in a creative state of mind, those 15 to 20 minutes can be soul crushing and can literally stop you from publishing videos. With Adobe Premiere, I tried a few times shooting in S-Log when I had a Sony camera, and I just couldn't figure out how to apply color in an easy and efficient way. When I tried a few LUTs, it would look okay, but not great. Now I shoot with the Lumix S5 II, and I forced myself to shoot in Vlog since there's many benefits like being able to quickly brighten or darken videos. And I initially started applying LUTs, which looked okay, but I just wasn't completely happy with the results. Now I use a feature called Color Space Transform found within the color section of the program. I apply the effect to the video node. I choose Panasonic V Gamut for the input color space, Panasonic Vlog for the input gamma, and just like that, the color science is all set. I then simply make small adjustments, mostly just to the brightness, and the footage looks just phenomenal. I can continue being creative and productive without feeling super cool after spending hours trying to color grade. The user interface within DaVinci Resolve is very well thought out. It has a media tab meant to bring in your footage, a cut section to make quick cuts, an editing tab where I usually spend most of my time, Fusion for cinematic visual effects, Fairlight to work on audio effects, and Deliver where you will go to publish in the formats that you want. Everything is separated into their own section, but everything is also quickly reachable within the same program. No need to open different programs, it's all embedded in one place, and guess what? It all just works. Many of us have rooms that are untreated, like this room here. I'm in a room that used to be a shed and I converted it into my YouTube studio, and there's tons of crazy echo. I'm gonna treat the room eventually, but I haven't done so yet. And this produces that very annoying echo, or sometimes we're shooting where we want to remove annoying audio like an air conditioner or a microwave and leave just the voice. When you go to the Fairlight section of DaVinci, simply select your voice track, turn on voice isolation, and voila, you are done. Now the annoying microwave, air conditioner, or echo are gone just like that, and my voice still sounds amazing. It doesn't get better than that, guys. I'm not even gonna lie, I used to be afraid of recording voice separate from my camera's input. I was forced to do so after purchasing my Rodecaster Pro 2 and a Pro Sennheiser shotgun mic. To my surprise, I didn't realize how easy it is to sync your video and audio with DaVinci. To do this, I simply drag my video and audio file to the edit section of DaVinci. Here, I select both video and audio files, I right-click them, and I select Auto Sync Audio based on waveform, And like magic, within seconds, the audio from my Rodecaster and video are in perfect harmony. As a bonus, my favorite part of Davinci is that you can start with a free version that's gonna work for your 8-bit footage, but you can pretty much do 90% of everything the Pro version can. However, if you have 10-bit footage, you're gonna need the Pro version. And even then, it's only $300 and it's a one-time payment, not an annoying subscription. And you can install it on up to 2 computers. And best of all, you get the upgrades included for free for life. Isn't that just amazing? Well, I hope I was able to provide you with some valuable feedback. If you're thinking of making the switch or already use Davinci, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech content. Until next time, Ultra Tech out. Ultra Tech out.